Good morning, Stage 1. This week in maths, we're looking at taking away and combining numbers. So it's pretty much addition and subtraction. It's just a different way of looking at how we add and subtract numbers. Combine is to add, and take away is to minus. So we're going to do some activities this week and have a look at that. All right, let's look at our maths learner's book for this week. And we're going to look at this page. If you want to in your maths books, you can do these exercises and work them out. That is up to you. So if you want to write down your sums, you can practice. Okay, so we look at the first balloon. We see there's a 6 and a 4 and a 2. Now, the little snail guy over here says, use your number pairs to 10 to help you. So which two balloons can you add together to get to 10? You can add 6 and 4. Then we know that's 10 already. So we just need to add 2. So it is 12 for this balloon. Again, look for your number pair to 10. 5 and 5 is your number pair for 10. 3 and 7. 2 and 8. And here we cannot make a number pair to 10, but we can add 3 and 5 together to help. Those are the easy numbers to add, so we'll have 8 plus 8. Here we can have 2 and 8 to our number 10 pair, and 9 and 1. So you can look at it like this. You're going to count. If you do the sums in your book, you're going to say 6 plus 4 plus 8 equals 18. Okay, so we're adding more numbers there. All right, so here we have a field. And in this field, there are some flowers. And in this field, there are some flowers. I've got little flowers here, so I'm going to actually use my flowers to count. Let me just put my coffee cup there to keep this book from sticking up. Okay. Look at all my pretty flowers I have here. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 1, 2, 3. Whoopsie, I've lost one. Okay, and we have 1 here. 1, 2, 3 there. Then we have another 2 here. Now you don't need to do this with flowers, but Teacher Maurice is just trying to make it fun for you and make look quite cool with all the different flowers. There's 2 there. There's 1 there. There's 2 there. And there are 3 there. We're going to need to use little ones there. 3. 1, 2, 3. And the last one needs 4 flowers. I've got 1, 2. Oopsie. Those ones are a bit big. 3 and 4. So now we need to add all these numbers. So let's first look at the top and let's count. We have 4 plus 3, that is 7. Then we're going to add 3. 10. Let's add 2 to that. 12. Add another 2. 14. Add another 3. 17, add 1, 18, add another one, 19, add 2, 21, add 3, 24, add, that was 1 extra one, add 4 is 29. All right, let me see if Teacher Maurice is right. So we're going to count. 3 and 4 is 7, plus 3, 10, plus 2, 12, plus another 2, 14, plus 1, 15, plus 3, 18, plus another one, 1, 19, 21, 24, and another 5, 29 flowers. That's how we add them together. Okay, so we can do it like that. All right, here If you want to, you can also do the sums for this in your book, or you can draw all the flowers into your book. That's all right. Okay, let's look at the pots. And you can find the total of 2 pots. If you'd like to, you can draw this guy and this one, and then write 7 pencils plus 6 dice equals, can you work it out? 7 plus 6 is 13. So you can draw the picture if you want. You can do the same for this one and same for this one. You've got to find the total of 2 pots, which is, what is the total number? So you add the numbers together to find the total. All right, again we have this. And we're going to look at taking away. Right, so we have this gauge chain. We can see this is taking away. They are not the same. We're not adding the fields together. We're going to take the bigger number and we're going to take away the smaller number to find out. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 21. And we're going to take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to write there 21 minus 7 and equals. Okay, how are we going to do this is we're going to look at the big number first. And we're going to draw 21 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So I have 21 there. And I'm going to minus 7 flowers. I'm sorry my flowers look so ugly, but it's just very quick. So I'm going to erase 7 flowers. 6, 7. And we're going to count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 21 minus 7 equals 14. All right, when talking about our number lines and finding the difference. Finding the difference is taking a certain amount of number and finding what the difference is between the two. Okay, so what is missing between the two? How many do we need to add or take away to get to the number? Let's say find the difference. So the difference between 5 and 8 is 3. So we're going to use a number line to help us with this. Right, here I've drawn my number line, so it's going to help me. So we use the number line to help us jump back. So here we look at the one that has the bigger number. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so we're going to go to 16. Where's 16 on the number line? The numbers are a little bit small, so please bear with me. And we're going to count back how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we've got to jump 9 spaces. So 1, 2, do our bunny hops, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the difference between 16 and 9 is 7. So if we look at it like this, 16 minus 9 equals 7. And you can have a look at this and check it out for yourself. Again, I want you to work out, you can work out what is the difference between this one and this one using your number line.